Pilbara is a little bit different to other regions. We do a lot of work with the mining companies. We've got massive loads on our roads. 2,000 road trains a day are currently in use just south of Headland on Great Northern Highway. With that many road trains a day, we can ill afford to have that road deteriorate in any way, shape or form. We suffer a lot with floods, cyclones and certainly bushfires as well. What that means, of course, we need to respond quickly. In some cases, that might mean building an emergency diversion around a section of road that's been damaged or doing some temporary reinstatement. And that's where these maintenance crews are going to be highly valued going forward.
That ability to respond to natural disasters or to severe incidents, that's a really important service that Main Roads delivers as a network operator. By having in-house people who we train, who are used to the conditions in the region, it just makes it a much better opportunity for people in the crisis and management team meetings. So this is going to be very good for us.
Look, I think that the great thing about doing in-house maintenance is the ability to grow our own people going forward, not just in maintenance, but also into asset management, into construction, which means we just grow our workforce and become wiser and better in all spectrums of work that Main Roads does.
We don't want to just pigeonhole people into one particular job. We're interested in training and developing people so that they can expand their capabilities and go to higher levels in the organisation. That's good for the people, of course, but it's also good for Main Roads.
It actually means a lot. I mean, it's coming from what Main Roads was. We've gone through all the contractors and the different models, and Billy and I have been through all those together, and to finally now get the news that we're going back in-house, it was shock. It was good news. It was like, well, we think we've got a lot of experience to give back to these guys coming on board. We've got confidence in those guys. There's a lot of very educated young fellas coming through who can move through this organisation and be benefits to everyone.
The ability to turn around and respond faster to incidents, to provide a better service to the community, and to give these guys that extra incentive to do their job that much better, I think is a great opportunity.